small potatoes. Peel this.
Always alone. Always be there. Always alone. Always be there. Always alone.
So what I do is, I notice people do this. I can't do that. I don't know why, but anyway, I do it down. So up, down. I peel towards me. I don't know if that makes sense, but I put this finger up here, my thumb, and then for me this is so much easier. I ended up using half of the onion. It was I would say a medium size. This is yellow onion, and I cut it. Now I'm gonna put the chicken. 2 tablespoons of this. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of oregano. All of this. Tiny. If you have little kids, you never put this like that. You always put it on the inside. I don't know, a little tip my mom showed me when I was little. A little tip my mom told me when I was little. I always put it on the inside. Because you know, sometimes you grab it and you forget and you leave it like that. But no. I'm gonna put this on top so that water doesn't go up all the way. I don't know how it works, but it works. And leave it on 2. And then once all the vegetables are cooked, the chicken, then I put the noodles. So in simmer, it was cooking too slow, so I put it in medium, 20 minutes, and now potatoes is the one that potatoes take the longer. So now every vegetable is ready, and I just put the noodles. Let's see how long that takes. So after 20 minutes, now the noodles. Now I'm gonna cover it. It's ready. 10 minutes later. I thought I put too many. I thought maybe 2 bags was too much, but actually it's because they like it with a lot of noodles. So if you like it with a lot of noodles, go for the 2 bags. If you don't, you can use 1 or 1.5. It's up to you. But you can see the size of mine. So I use 2. 7.5 actually. So it's 15 ounces total. So I hope you like this little video. Remember, if you had a bad day today, tomorrow is a new day. Bye bye, beautiful people.